Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit the host file on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be the same process you would do on Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 as well. But this should hopefully be more directed towards the Windows 11 users here. It might look a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up File Explorer. So go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select where it says this PC on the left side. Go ahead and left click on that. And double click on your local disk where Windows is installed. So go ahead and double click on that one. And now you want to double click on the Windows folder. Locate System32. So go ahead and scroll down to System32 here and double click on it. And there should be a drivers folder. Double click on that one as well. Should be a folder that says ETC. Go ahead and double click on it. And then finally, there should be a host folder in here. If you don't see some of these folders, you might have to click the View tab up at the top and then select Show, and then make sure Hidden Items is selected here, again, if you're unable to see any of this. So you're going to go ahead and right-click, and you're going to go copy it. And then you're going to paste it on the desktop. So you could just right-click and paste it, or just do Control-V like I did. So now you're going to right-click on this file on our desktop, and you're going to select Properties. Make sure Hidden and Read Only are not selected here. And then select OK. Double click on the file and then select Notepad if you want to open up a Notepad, and then select OK. At this point, you go ahead and actually edit the host file if you choose to do so. And then once you're done with that, you just would go ahead and save it. And then it'd be on our desktop, and then you just would drag in whatever changes you made and just drop it back into this folder we were on before. And you can replace the file in the destination. You could modify the file directly from here, but generally I recommend doing it somewhere else and then just making sure it's exactly how you want it, because if you modify it in here and you don't like the end result, there's really nothing to go back to. I mean, it's easy enough to reset your host file, which I have tutorials on my channel. You can search for that, but I'd rather do it somewhere else and then paste it over once I'm satisfied with the end result. So pretty straightforward process, guys. So again, you just drop it back in here when you're done modifying it. You'd obviously have to save the file as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.